so here is my bag resealer. This came in a 2-pack off Amazon. I really, really love them. I didn't expect to like them that much. They're battery operated, so you just take off that little hanging piece, which is also a safety measure, and pop this end off right here, which might be a little difficult to do one-handed. Let's see. I'll use the mayonnaise to help. Let's see. So you can just pop it off like this, and that's how you add your batteries. It takes 2 AA. Put it back on, just like that. And then you heat it up for 3 seconds beforehand by pressing and holding them together. That's 3 seconds there. And then all you have to do, it's really easy. I'm gonna set it back on here. So fold your bag in half. I'm using these little steel little strips and it's completely opened back here. So just gonna take your bag, fold it in half, wherever low you'd like to seal it. I do it a little bit more up so that when I cut it open again, I still have room to reseal it, like that. And then just take your heating end, press it firmly on the bag, and seal it. So go all the way across. I know this is terrible recording because I didn't put this through, but I'll show you afterwards. You go all the way across the bag. And at the end, you have this perfectly sealed layer of your bag. Pick it up, completely sealed. I love this thing.
All right, I am doing this little video on this cool little gadget that I found on Amazon. I had originally watched a YouTube video on it and thought I would really like to have one. It came in a pack of 2 when I purchased them at Christmas time, so I gave one to my son in his stocking. But anyway, it's got a plus sign here. That's your heating side. There's a cutting side on the other end, and all you do is trim up your bag to the size that you want, and then the heating end, the plus side, you just pinch it and slowly pull across. I don't know if you can see that little line there or not, but it seals it right up, right up. I do notice, like, wherever you hold it with your fingers, sometimes
we want to check this in date, right? So the time of liquidated steps based on this.
This is just making sure right in the YAML file that we're sending through right today, they enter in independent termination date. But we don't have the coverage elected and coverage or the effective date and termination date columns. So they terminate a dependent.
I seal this package. Can't really show you doing it because I don't have 2 hands. With my little sealer, and it works great. These are my grandson's little veggie sticks that he opens and closes constantly, but this keeps them fresh. Great product. I love it.
What's the